Everyone, welcome back to the channel. The previous couple videos I told you there was a good promotion on one with the speakers. So guess what, I bought it, you know what I mean? And again, I bought it with my own money, so it was really good price, like $128, and with all the taxes and everything it came out to be about $141 with shipping and everything, so not bad at all. So the review for this one, it's fairly new speaker, and the review is really good. So I just want to unbox it and then connect it to one of my phones, and we're gonna see how it is. So this is the speakers right here. So as you can see, Go Play 3, and this is a speaker. So you got like two speakers facing that way and one subwoofer facing down and two tweeters facing out. Harman Kardon. Okay, so let's see. This is what signature design, crafted with premium materials. All right, and then they probably has another language underneath. Superior sound performance with 3-way speakers, Bluetooth streaming for up to 8 hours, which is good. So this would be perfect for you guys to, you know, go on picnic, going camping, auto self-tuning, and then crystal clears calls. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what it comes with, what's inside, and we're gonna connect it to the phone, and then we're actually gonna listen to it, and then you guys let me know what the sounds like. Right? Okay, this kind of toss that might have to stand up. What is this? So, quick start guide. Then so inside, yeah, just like the title says. Put it on the side for now. And what is it? Probably the one. The cable to connect the device. And then this one over here. That's pretty much it. So just the quick guide and the cable, and then the speaker itself. So wow. Check it out. So here it is. This is closed up right here. It has a grill and the handle. Looks like what? I don't know. But the glass right here looks really nice. Let's see. And then on the very... What? Did I even power it on? Huh. I don't know. I might have just touched it and then it powered on already. But look on the bottom. This thing's a little bit soft, like kind of like the feet. Okay, and here's the subwoofer over here, and it has like the control. It's up on top, as you can see right here, and it looks like, I'm not sure if this is like the battery status. Looks like it has like what, 4 out of 5 dots. So maybe it's not completely charged, but then it has Bluetooth connectivity, and in the middle it has a power button. And then over here it has a negative and positive, probably like to increase the volumes. So right now, let's see if I can connect. Oh, let's show you in the back side of it. It's heavier than my JBL Charge 5. Over here I got an aux input, and I got a charge out, and I got a power. So I guess you can use this to charge another device if you need to, like your cell phone or your drones, however. But you use this cable here to plug it in there to charge. But right now, let's see if I'm gonna connect it to a Bluetooth. Let's see, to my cell phone. And let's find out to see how easy it is to connect this device to the speaker to your phone. So we hit pair device. And then as you can see, it automatically shows up right here, HK Go 3 Play. Let's see, connect pairing. Allow access. All right, so once it made that noise or sound, you know that it's connected. And the indicator right here, instead of blue, now it's clear white. So I guess I can start playing some kind of music now. So let's see, test it. All right, so we're gonna play this song right here.
Looking for a shave and it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Goddamn, feeling good. Yeah, but when I'm back home, pretty afternoon, it's a nice boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when I'm back home, pretty afternoon, it's a nice boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
All right, so I'm gonna turn it on to see how loud we can get with this, okay? So right now it's pretty low. That's pretty low, all right? And I'm gonna turn it up all the way to see how loud it is. Let's see any other music, the top 10. All right, I'm gonna turn it a little bit louder.
Shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Under the tree. The monsters running wild inside me. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. So lost.
All right, so it's pretty loud. Okay, I really like the bass, but right now I'm gonna plug it in and then I'll turn it back on because usually when you plug it in, it sounds a lot louder. So let's see if we can hear the difference. Okay, so right now it's I connected it straight to the outlet. So let's see if we can hear a louder or more bumpier.
Shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive? Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in
So it is right. So when we connect this into the straight up to the outlet, it gets more bumpier, clearer, and louder. So than just only the battery alone itself. So right now is charging. So I'll let it charge. But overall look of the speakers for $128, I think that was a steal. You know what I mean? Just the quality, the way it is designed. It might look funny, you know, for a guy to carry this around, walking on the beach. Looks like you're carrying a purse, but you know, who cares, right? So as long as it sounds good, it sounds great, and you're buying what, Harman Kardon, the brand of it, and everything looks great. It's just the design, it might not be manly, but overall, you know, I would recommend this to anybody out there that are looking for speakers. The only downside that I see with this one is like, to put it in here, you might, you know, you have to find like a flat surface. If you put something like underneath, like a rock or something, it might rock, it might bump. So for example, like this table right here would be perfect. You know, you can play it all day, and it makes the sounds more equally spread out too as well. So for $128, you're getting this thing right here. It plays 8 hours. You know, it's great choice. Once again, I bought this with my own money, so no one's telling me what to say about this. And so far, with the first time hearing this thing, I really love it. Before this, I had the Charge 5, and Charge 5, it's really a lot smaller, maybe like 3-4 times smaller than this, and the sound is great too from JBL's too. So, but the price difference maybe about the same, a little bit. If this is not on sale, it's like 300 something, but it affected on sale is like 128. So it's a no-brainer to go with this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, if you guys like deals, you know, follow my channels, because I do post a lot of deals. And again, some of the deals, they come and goes really quick. Either it's sold out, or there's a time limit when, you know, the promotion is on too. So yeah, so follow my channels and for more deals. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.